In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an ERPNext backup. Whether you're switching servers or recovering from data loss, restoring your ERPNext backup is an essential skill for maintaining your system's integrity. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to secure your backup files. When dealing with ERPNext, you should ensure you have three critical files from your existing site. These are the database, SQL.gz, which contains your database information, the public.tar, which holds public file storage, and finally, the private.tar, which is for private file storage. Typically, you'll find these backups in the Site Backups section of your Frappe Cloud dashboard. It's essential to have these files at your fingertips before moving on to the restoration process. Now that we have our files ready, it's time to navigate over to Site Management. Still, on your Frappe Cloud dashboard, you'll want to select your site carefully. It's crucial not to rush this step, as selecting the wrong site could lead to complications. Once you've selected your site, you'll need to scroll down towards the administrative section marked as Dangerous Actions. It might sound daunting, but don't worry. We'll guide you every step of the way. Next, you'll find an option labeled Restore with Files. Clicking this will initiate the process of restoring from the backup files we discussed earlier, the database, SQL.gz, public.tar, and private.tar files. You'll notice a red Restore button right beside this option, and that's what you'll need to click on to proceed with restoring your files. Before you know it, you'll be just a few short steps away from having your site back up and running. After clicking the Restore button, a window will open up, prompting you to upload your backup files. This is where you will bring in your previously downloaded files, database.sql.gz, alongside the public.tar and private.tar. Carefully upload all three files, ensuring each one is correctly selected from your computer. Double-check everything before proceeding to ensure you've not missed any files. Once everything is uploaded, confirm that you're ready to proceed. This step will effectively start the restoration process, where your ERPNext setup begins to unfold just as it was during the time your backup files were created. Allow a moment for the process to complete. Patience is your best friend during this time, as your data and files are carefully reintegrated. And there you have it. You've successfully restored your ERPNext site using backup files. Restoring an ERPNext backup can seem daunting, but taking it step by step makes it manageable. Now, your ERPNext is just as it was, and you can breathe a sigh of relief knowing all your data is intact. Thanks for following along, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you navigate your ERPNext journey with ease.